Welcome to Top 5 Choice. The best strawberry molds is probably one of the most versatile and charming additions to any crafter's toolkit, especially for those who love creating unique, handmade candles that evoke the sweetness and vibrancy of summer. Imagine infusing your living space with the delightful aroma and aesthetic of fresh strawberries, all thanks to these innovative silicone molds that make the process of candle making not only accessible but also incredibly fun and rewarding for creators of all skill levels, from beginners to seasoned artisans looking for a new creative outlet. Number 5. Strawberry Silicone Mold. Introducing our strawberry silicone mold, perfect for all your baking and crafting needs. This flexible bakeware is designed for easy use and cleaning. Crafted from high-quality, food-grade silicone, this mold is strong, durable, and safe for use in the microwave, freezer, and oven. It's built to last. Simply fill the mold with your desired ingredients, pop it in the fridge or oven, and let it work its magic. Cleaning is a breeze under running water. This mold is ideal for a wide range of edible goods, including chocolates, candies, jellies, and even ice cubes. It's also great for making soaps and candles. Elevate your birthdays, anniversaries, and parties with beautifully crafted desserts. Make your special occasions memorable and delicious with these unique creations. Measuring 4.2 x 2.2, this pink silicone pen features 8 individual cavities, each measuring approximately 0.98 x 0.83. Its compact size makes it easy to store and use. What we like. This mold offers a vibrant pink color and multiple cavities for efficient crafting. If you are looking to make a batch of small, consistent strawberry-shaped items like candies or soaps, this is a great choice for its ease of use and quantity. What people say. They include strawberries, raspberries, blueberries, and pineapples, and the details come out beautifully, making the candles look adorable and professional. The molds are easy to use and flexible, allowing you to remove the candles without breaking or damaging them. They work with different types of wax, and the size is ideal for making small, detailed decorative candles. Number 4. 3D Strawberry Silicone Baking Molds. Experience the highest standard in silicone quality. Our molds are crafted from food-grade LFGB silicone, ensuring safety and durability for all your creations. These molds are completely BPA-free and safe for extreme temperatures. They can withstand heat up to 446 degrees Fahrenheit and cold down to -40 degrees Fahrenheit, making them perfect for baking, freezing, and more. Unlock endless possibilities with these versatile molds. Use them for cakes, candies, ice cubes, soaps, candles, and even resin crafts. Enjoy hassle-free baking with our non-stick design. Simply push the bottom of the mold for easy release of your perfectly shaped treats. Share the joy of baking with friends and family. These molds are a wonderful gift for anyone who loves to create delicious desserts or unique crafts. What we like. This option boasts the highest standard of food-grade silicone, ensuring safety and durability. If you prioritize premium materials and a non-stick surface for easy release of intricate 3D shapes, this mold is ideal for professional-looking desserts and crafts. What people say. The 3D flower details come out beautifully every time, and it's super easy to use and clean. It works perfectly for resin, candles, and fondant. The quality is excellent and flexible without losing shape. Perfect size, it looks like a real strawberry. Easy to get wax out of the mold. These most are perfect. It looks so real for mummy soaps, I highly recommend. Number 3. 3D Strawberry Silicone Candle Mold. Introducing our unique 3D strawberry mold, perfect for creating delightful candles, soaps, or wax melts. Its realistic design adds a special touch to any handmade item. Crafted from durable, high-quality silicone, this mold ensures easy release and long-lasting use. It's flexible and safe for all your creative projects. Measuring 7*3.5 cm, it's the ideal size for individual candles, soaps, or wax melts. Create charming, bite-sized treats for yourself or as gifts. Beyond candles, this versatile mold is excellent for fondant, soaps, and wax melts. Let your imagination run wild with its many possibilities. Each mold comes in a random, vibrant color, adding an element of surprise to your crafting experience. Get ready to have fun creating. What we like. This mold provides a compact size perfect for detailed work and comes in a random color, adding an element of surprise. If you enjoy creating small, intricate embeds for candles or soaps, or are experimenting with various wax melt shapes, its small dimensions are a key advantage. What people say. The strawberries came out looking realistic and detailed, with clear texture and shape that instantly made the finished candle look professional and eye-catching. The functionality of this mold is excellent. It's made of high-quality silicone that is flexible yet sturdy, making it easy to pour wax in and even easier to unmold without damaging the shape. The strawberries pop out smoothly without sticking or crumbling, which saves a lot of time and effort during the process. The size is just right, not oversized, but big enough to stand out as decoration. They work perfectly for candles, soaps, wax melts, or even resin projects. The versatility of this mold makes it even more useful since you can use it across different crafts. Number 2. Juome 5 PCS Fruit-Shaped Jelly Molds. Introducing our set of 5 fruit-shaped jelly molds. Perfect for creating fun and delicious treats for your family. Crafted from 100% food-grade silicone, these molds are BPA-free, non-toxic, and contain no plastic fillers, ensuring safety for everyone. Enjoy 5 unique fruit designs: strawberry, blueberry, orange, mulberry, and pineapple. They are perfectly sized for little hands to fill. These versatile molds are ideal for making gummies, chocolates, candies, gelatin, fruit snacks, fudge, ice cubes, and more. Kids will love the detailed shapes that pop out. Featuring a non-stick surface, they are easy to release and clean. They are safe for use in the oven, freezer, microwave, and dishwasher, with a heat resistance from -40 degrees Celsius to 230 degrees Celsius. What we like. This package offers a variety of 5 different fruit shapes, including strawberries, for diverse crafting projects. If you want to create a fun assortment of healthy snacks or decorative elements for kids, this multi-fruit set is perfect for engaging little ones. What people say. The mold is easy to use and demold, leaving a smooth finish on the candle. The strawberry shape is realistic and detailed, making for beautiful finished candles. The silicone material is flexible and durable, holding its shape well even after multiple uses. Number 1. MoldFun 3D Full-Size Strawberry Silicone Mold. Create stunningly realistic strawberries with amazing detail. These finished pieces look just like the real fruit, perfect for adding a special touch to your creations. It's perfect for making embeds for candles and soaps. Imagine beautiful strawberries sitting atop whipped wax or embedded within clear soap for a unique look. Crafted from soft yet thick silicone, this mold is incredibly flexible and durable. You can use it countless times without worrying about it losing its shape. The finished pieces are a cute small-medium size, fitting perfectly inside candle jars or on top of soap bars. They add beauty without being too bulky. Thanks to its non-stick surface, releasing your creations is a breeze. Just a gentle push from the bottom, and they pop out perfectly shaped every time. Beyond candles and soaps, this versatile mold is great for wax melts, cake decorations like fondant or chocolate, and even resin art. It's easy to clean and reuse for endless crafting possibilities. What we like. This mold creates impressively realistic, full-size strawberries with detailed textures, perfect for embeds. If you are aiming for a high-impact visual for dessert candles, soap bars, or cake toppers, its detailed design and substantial size will make your creations stand out. What people say. The mold is easy to use and demold, producing perfect strawberry shapes every time. The silicone material is flexible and durable, allowing for multiple uses without losing its shape. The detailed design captures the realistic texture of a strawberry, making the finished candles look very appealing. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.